In this episode, I'll show you how to cook perfect white rice on the stovetop, even if you don't have a rice cooker at home. It's easier than you think. Let's get started. First, the rice needs to be washed and rinsed at least 3 times. Next, transfer the rinsed rice into a pot. Add water to the pot using a 1:1 ratio. For example, if you're cooking 1 cup of rice, you'll add 1 cup of water. Turn the heat to medium and set the timer for 23 minutes. When it reaches a rolling boil, uncover the pot and give it a stir to prevent the rice from sticking to the bottom. Then, reduce the heat to the lowest setting and let it simmer until there are 5 minutes left on the timer. If you're using a coil stovetop like mine, where the residual heat lasts longer, you should turn off the heat 10 minutes before the timer ends. Now let the rice sit in the pot with the lid on without opening it until the timer goes off. Look at that! The rice looks amazing. Now fluff the rice. Now, you can easily cook rice and make delicious Asian cuisine without a rice cooker. I hope you enjoy this video.